Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Brave background play not working problem. To do this, first go back to the Brave browser and go to your Play Store and check update your Brave browser. Open it. After open it, tap on three dot icon in the corner, scroll down and tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on media and turn on background play option. After reload your browser, tap on three dot icon in the corner again, scroll down and enable desktop site. And now play a video. And now check it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.